In the statement, write something you learned from this video. I said that I learned about how to keep track in a notebook and also how different salt and sugar are because of their magnification, how salt can go to objective 3 and sugar can only go to objective 2. If you look back at your pictures of salt, you can see that they were more speckled than sugar. It was also harder to get more in view because salt is a little smaller than sugar. And if you go back to sugar, you could see that there weren't many speckles. It was more just a plain square blob. And you could also see more in view over here, just they're not as big as these chunks. With salt, you just see a lot of little specks inside of them, and not as many in view over here. So go back and compare the differences and write a few paragraphs about that if you want to. If you don't, just think of them and go back whenever you need to know something about salt and sugar under the microscope. Come back soon because in the next episode, I'll show you how to use 2 different eyepieces in the same specimen. But the other one's going to be a surprise, so make sure you come to find out what our special specimen is. I'll see you soon in the side scale.